So each 7-foot Bigfoot has 5 pieces: the torso, 2 legs, 2 arms, and it takes a minimum of a half an hour after they've been on the CNC to sand the edges, to make sure that the edges are without any gaps, fill any gaps, seal them with epoxy, and prepare them for paint. All right, just a short video to show you how we paint the 7-foot Bigfoot. We use Behr premium paints, the Ultra specifically. It's like $50 a gallon. And if you want to know the color, just in case you ever need to touch up, it's called Limousine Leather Black. It's the blackest of black. It's pure black. That's the darkest one you can get. The system that we use, I use the 3M PPS 2.0 system. It uses little tips like this called atomizing tips. They come in different degree tips. We use a 1.8 because that's what works best for the viscosity of this paint. But they have a 1.3, 1.4, 1.8, and a 2.0, which works good, I guess, for like thick primers and stuff. Anyhow, you can save the paint. This is the larger size. They have a smaller touch-up one. It takes literally 10 seconds to switch colors or to clean it. Then you just throw this in a bucket of water. Fastest, easiest system there is. No, I don't work for 3M, nor am I sponsored by them. We bought our own stuff. Anyhow, the next part of this video is going to be sped up. It's called time lapse, because you don't want to wait and watch me do the whole thing.